At this point, we have created our table legs. We're choosing to go with the fancier one. So now I'm just going to do a few more adjustments, and I'm going to delete the other table leg. Let's go to Transform, Taper. It says cannot taper poly surfaces. What we can do, however, is cap the planar holes. That gives us a nice flat and finished look. Then I can go to Tools, Polygon Mesh, from NURBS Object. We'll crank our intensity down a little bit, press OK. I'll delete our original. So now we have a polygon mesh version of our table leg. Now we can go to Transform and Taper. I thought we might want to make the base just a little bit wider. So we'll do just that. And let's take a look. Now we have a stronger sort of Gothic looking table leg. Now what I'm going to do is select our table leg, press Ctrl C to copy. I'm going to go to File, go to my recent files, choose Table. Should I save changes to table leg? We're going to say yes. Scroll out, press Ctrl V. The table leg is now in the table scene. First thing you'll notice is it's lying down the wrong way. We have to rotate it 90 degrees. So the easiest way to do that is turn on ortho. Then we can turn it off again. We'll maneuver it. Now we're going to need a three-dimensional scale here. This is going to need to be smaller. All 3 dimensions. So I'll crank it down like so. And that's probably a little bit too small, so we'll come back up a little bit. And let's try that. Now in my top view, I'm going to place my table leg. And let's try about right there and have a look. Before we do that, we may want to change our color to Other. So here's one of our table legs. And now is when our mirror tool comes in handy. Transform, Mirror. I'll just go to my center axis here. Make sure I'm on this green line because that's the center of the table. Left click, then move the mouse down slightly. As you can see, that places one over here. That looks good. Now I'll select both. Right click to repeat my mirror tool. Select the center, move the mouse around until I see them appear in the opposite corners. And now we've placed all 4 legs, and we can be sure that they've been placed correctly. As a finishing touch, what we can do, select all 4, going right to left. As you can see here, they look a little bit long. Go to my scale tool, one-dimensional scale, from top to bottom, raise them up a little bit. Let's take a look yet again. And so that's a little better. Our dining table is now complete. I'm going to save the changes.